Hello all. In this video we will explore how to make a perfect corner using fillet, split line and surface commands in SolidWorks. First we need to fillet the edge. This is done by selecting the fillet option, then select the edges that need to be filleted. Select fillet radius as 0.15 inch. Similarly for all the edges that need to be filleted. Now we can able to see that the corner is not perfect, there are many faces present in the corner. So now we will see how to be rectified this. First need to select the sketch option and select the front face. Use line command to draw the line across the faces where the fillet is started. Then exit out from the sketch. Now go to Features tab, then select Split Line option in the curves. Now the sketch is automatically select, then select the faces that need to be splitted. Then select OK. Now we can see that the face is splitted. Now go to Surface tab. Select the faces. Then select Delete Face option. Select Delete Fill option, then select OK. Now the corner is properly created.